How to edit text in an image in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back. So a lot of you guys don't know this, and you can actually edit the text that is present in an image using Canva. And you need a Canva Pro subscription, but it's really simple. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna head on over, log into your Canva account like normal. And what you're gonna do is that you're going to upload your image. So you can do that by going directly into like your projects, or you can just click on create over here. And then once you click on create, you can click on upload on the left, click on upload files, and you're just gonna upload your image that you want to basically change the text in. So I am just going to be quickly selecting my image, and this is the image that I have opted for. And then once I do that, I'm going to use in a new design. You can just click on custom size and then leave the size as is if you want the same size as your image. So I'm just going to click on create new design because I prefer working in like a design folder. But this is my image. So you guys can see this is like an actual image. It's not like a Canva element. Once you have your image, you're going to select the image, click on edit, and then once you click on edit on the left, you will see some Magic Studio options. So if you move forward, you will see the grab text option. Just click on grab text over here. Once you do that, you can select the text, or you can go into all text if you wanted to grab everything. So I'm just going to click on grab text, and I wanted to grab all of the text. So I'm going to do that. And now once it has grabbed the text, I can start editing this. So the rest of the image is an image, but the text is pretty much grabbable. So now I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to edit the text. So let's say I want to write how to edit image text in Canva like this. And then I want to write something else on top, which is wow. And just like so. So that's how you do it. If you guys found this helpful, if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.